Once we deploy the protocol and it's live, it's starting to gain attention and people are depositing money, the TVL is rising. We want to make sure that our protocol is monitored, right? We want to make sure that we have monitoring rules set. So in case there is a suspicious transaction, in case the protocol or the smart contract funds are at risk, we're able to detect it. This is where the monitor model comes into place, where we can set monitoring rules, and basically the monitor model will basically monitor the blockchain all the time to find those detectors, and once it finds them, it will trigger an alert. But not only trigger an alert, that's where the actions model comes into place. We will see in a moment how we use the action model in the Uniswap V2 protocol, but the action models allows you, based on monitor events, incidents that were raised, to make an action. So if there is an attack, you can block it, right? You can prepare an action in advance that if something suspicious happens, if the liquidity drops, if the balance drops significantly, then we want to pause the smart contract. Then we want to add more funds to the smart contract, whatever action that you might think of. And last but not least is the incident response. The incident response allows you to define scenarios. For instance, when this smart contract is being attacked, then we're gonna run this group of actions. You can aggregate actions together and run them one after another. And also you can define runbooks. Incident response is something that we are used to in Web2 traditional security. And it's incredible to see that OpenZeppelin is actually leveling up the incident response and the monitoring and the actions in actually Web3 security and Web3 protocols. And these features and these modules are amazing, incredible, and a great help for Web3 protocols to monitor and create those incident response and actions for their protocol when something goes wrong.